Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing both AirPods into the first-generation charging case and closing the lid. This is the fastest way to stop audio and force an idle state. Once done, make sure the case has some charge so they won't immediately wake, and open your device's Bluetooth settings. You need to actively disconnect from the source. Tap the AirPods name and choose Disconnect. That sequence effectively stops playback and severs the active connection without any complex resets. Once disconnected, if the AirPods keep reconnecting, open the lid and hold the small setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the front light flashes amber then white. That resets pairing info and stops unwanted automatic connections. Make sure to remove or disable Bluetooth on any other nearby device that previously paired, because AirPods search for known devices. After resetting, you repair only when you want them active, so they remain effectively off for normal use. To finish, close the case and put it away. This keeps the first-gen AirPods idle because they have no dedicated power-off switch. If you still see spontaneous reconnects, open Bluetooth, tap Forget Device for the AirPods, then perform the reset and reclose the case. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior persists, fully charge the case and AirPods, update your iPhone's iOS, or let the AirPods battery drain and recharge. These steps clear firmware glitches that can otherwise make them act powered on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.